Welcome guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and honestly I'm really happy to be on this on today to make this withdrawal for you and actually show you guys what I've been doing over the last few months and actually get to you all the information that you need, right? So I'm here actually still traveling. I haven't reached a point where I can consistently put out videos because I'm traveling at the moment. It's a bit busy for me, but at the same time I realized that at least once a week I need to come out and actually show you that there is things happening in the background. You can still do this while you have a full-time job, while you are doing other things. Okay, don't think of it as something that you need to put in a lot of time, a lot of money and stuff like that. There are three things that I really think that you need to follow in order for you to get it. Firstly, have a system in place. Secondly, follow the checklist. And thirdly, just fill your mind with actual possibilities and dreams that you can achieve. Don't procrastinate on things. Okay, take the action necessary and you're going to see results. So I want to just actually, today's my birthday, so if you like what you get on this video, do me a favor as a birthday gift for me. Hit the subscribe button and even put the bell notification for any future videos that I'm going to be putting out, because definitely that's going to be happening more often as we go along in this journey. It's going to be almost 100 days. Let's see when it is. How many days to Christmas? So let's check that. It's about 128 days for Christmas. I am surely 100 days before Christmas going to be doing a blitz, and that means focusing on 100 videos in 100 days, or even more than 100 videos in 100 days, just because I think that it's worth it that you get the content that you receive. Okay, so we're going to do two things in this video for you. If you have been watching the series, it's basically a proof, progress and results series that I've been doing every single week for you. I'm going to talk about results. So I'm going to say right now, it's not typical. You need to put in the work. Results are never ever guaranteed on my channel. Okay, you need to put in the work in order for you to actually receive the results. If you don't put in the work, you're not going to see the results. Never guaranteed. Okay, but I'm going to show you possibilities. That's up to you to decide whether it's for you or it's not for you. Secondly, I'm going to make a withdrawal for you in this video. And thirdly, I'm going to show you the strategy that is there that has been a consistent thing in my business. Okay, so as my profile says, I'm a lifestylepreneur. I'm a very positive action taker, an online marketer. Be consistent and take control of your life. No one else is in control, guys. It's you, and you. Remember that. So let's get into it. Like I said, drop in the comments if you want to wish me a happy birthday or something like that. But definitely, this is something I want to get across to you. This is the pitching season, guys. From now till December, till the 25th of December, till Christmas, people are pitching away like no one's business. Okay, what you need to do is actually figure out what you want to follow. Somebody who has a long-term plan or somebody who has a short-term plan who's just pitching you new launches one after the other. It's up to you. I'm in the long-term business. If you want to check out who I am and what I'm doing, the link is in the description. Please go ahead and take action if you want to see that. Okay, I want to talk to you about my last video, guys. I made a withdrawal. I'm going to get into that specifically, but let's go into the strategy. So what is the pro system? Okay, what is the pro system? The pro system consists of these elements right here specifically. Okay, so that's FutureNet and Future Adpro, which is primarily one of the products and services that you have. Now I always say you need a product or service, you need a marketing system, you need traffic for your foundation to be met. Okay, everything else that you get is the support, and the personal development is from me because I take effort in my members and the teammates that I have there because I want to help. But if you need a business, this is what is fundamental. If you go out and get ClickBank products, if you get an affiliate product and you want something, you definitely need product, you need a way to market it, and you need traffic to run to it. Okay, the support comes when you're building a team. The support comes when you need to grow a business in the right way. You need the support. Okay, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to put my nice lovely round thing right here to know the traffic. Now it's a very simple formula, guys. Okay, these are the products and services. I make a sale on the products and services, right? Now, how do I make a sale on the products and services? I need to send people to here. So what I do is, first and foremost, I take traffic and I send it to a presentation on my marketing system, and through an email, both. That in turn promotes one, promotes two. When I make a sale in Easy One Up, okay, when I make a sale in Easy One Up, I take 30% of it and I put it into traffic. Okay, I take 30% of it and I put it into traffic. Instead, I build up my future Adpro to a point where every single week I can take a withdrawal and put more traffic here. Why is my focus on traffic, guys? Because this is a system and strategy that I've been using, and I know a lot of 6-figure, 7-figure internet marketers who use the same thing. The idea is to have an advertising budget. Okay, the idea is to have an advertising budget. If you don't have an advertising budget, what are you doing? The biggest franchise in the world to the smallest tiny store that you have over there all need to have an advertising budget. Otherwise, there's no continuity. Whether it's free advertising, whether it's paid advertising, it's still an advertising budget. You have to realize this. And if you want something like I want, which is time freedom, then you leverage paid traffic. So this is the way I do it. I take out 30% if I make a sale in Easy One Up. I take a 30% of it and I put it to traffic. The rest goes into my 40% goes into my pocket, and the other 30% I give freely to either charity, growing in your wealth, and just learning more and investing in yourself. Okay, these are three things that I think are very important: charity, investing in yourself, and growing your wealth. The other 30%, 40% in your pocket, 30% back into the business through traffic. That is what I follow day in and day out, week in and week out. And if you're on this channel and you've seen these videos week after week, you realize that it is happening. I am doing it, and I wouldn't be teaching it if I was not doing it. Okay, so in this video, guys, I'm going to now make a withdrawal from Future Adpro, but I want to just talk about I withdraw to CoinDeal. Now, last week I did withdraw, and as you can see, nothing is here in my account. Why is it not here in my account? Let me just share with you a bit of what happened last week. Okay, so last week when I made the withdrawal, last week when I made the withdrawal, for some reason, okay, it went to the wrong address. It went to the wrong address. I usually do to this address. It went to this address. Why? I don't know. I double checked the video that I made because I do these withdrawals live, so I even have video proof showing that I did it on the right address, and it still went to the wrong address. Now, I have no idea why this happened. I have contacted support, just to be very honest with you guys. I contacted support, and they have told me that they're escalating it to the financial department. So I'm waiting for my results, basically from support, to let me know on when I can get those funds back. FutureNet has been here for the last since 2012 and is very open and honest in terms of discussing these matters with you. So I'm not worried about my funds in terms of getting those funds back. I think that $55 can be compensated as soon as they investigate what exactly happened. Okay, but today I'm going to be extra careful, and I'm going to show you exactly how I withdraw these funds this week as well. Okay, so it got approved, but apparently it went to the wrong CoinDeal address. Could be just a small mistake, can be rectified easily. But today we're going to make sure that it comes to the right address. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Like I said, results are typically, guys, have done over $12,000 in commissions on Future Adpro. So that's a brilliant amount to have. So let's go to deposit. So this is what I need, right? And let's copy my address right here. I'm going to go to payout, and before I do anything else, I'm going to paste the address right here. Okay, so I know that I have put the address there. Czech Republic, and I'm going to put my password here. Done. And let's withdraw another $6 through Bitcoin CoinDeal. And as you can see, the address disappeared. Why did it disappear? Let's refresh my page. I want to refresh my page just to be 100% sure, guys. Let's do it again. Bitcoin. Okay. I'm gonna enter that there. Okay. And it should be all okay. I just need to put 60 right here. So let's double check that again. 60. through Bitcoin, coin deal, address is put, this is the address, we'll double check the address, that's right. Now I go to payout, confirm, I put agree, I go to Gmail, guys, because that's what's gonna be in. Okay, let's refresh. Let's refresh this page. Because I want to scroll right down here. I know that it's showing waiting, but I want to make sure that this is the same address as this, which it is. Great. So now it should be the right thing, right? It should be the right thing as far as I can see. Future Pro, as you can see, $60 US. Do I confirm? I click on confirm, and let's see on this page. You can see that it's now $60 less. It's 25 in the account. It's half an ad pack basically. And we scroll down, we'll go to this side and you see, oh great. So this means that it is the right address. So now it has to go to this address. I know I've done everything right. This is a different address for some reason. I don't know why, but this is the same address and this is the same address. So now I have it on video as well. It's just a good thing to have a little bit of proof to make sure that you are doing everything rightly and smoothly. I've done it right now. What happens is today's a Sunday, so on a Monday they'll process it and I should get the money into my account tomorrow in Bitcoin on CoinDeal. And that's about it for me from this video, guys. Remember the strategy. We remove with Future Pro, I remove everything and I put it into traffic because I think it allows me then to have traffic running to my business basically for free. I'm not paying anything because every week, otherwise every month I would have to pay a certain amount from the traffic budget. In this way, I built up Future Pro and I'm now getting traffic to my business completely for free. So you understand the logic behind it. But when you make a sale in anything else, 30% of that is what I put into traffic and the rest, 40% goes into my pocket, and 10, and 10, as I said, charity, wealth, and yourself. That's it for me. I'm going to see you on the next video, guys. Keep strong and be positive.